Hey guys, it's Pauline. So I was going to do this unboxing. I'm so glad I looked because I would realize I was doing it in slow-mo. So anyway, I just took this out of the little package. It's that package that once you rip it, it gets all everywhere. So anyway, I just wanted to show you guys what I picked up during the December 3rd drop. I think this was a piece that was marked down. And so let's take a look at it, okay? So I picked up a Klare. I think these are really cute. And this particular one, it looked good. And it had the signature C's with the leather. So I went ahead and picked it up. They marked it down, I believe. All right. A little factory wrapping. It is very, very well protected. Love that. So, I believe this is that, wow, this is really, really shiny. Cuter than I thought. This looks like, it will show fingerprints. Look how well they had that protected. And we got our gold tag here, and it has a plastic film on it. I don't think I've ever seen a Coach product that came straight from Coach that has this particular film on it. All right. All right, I'm gonna take this off. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I got it. Well, I guess I missed a piece. Pretty much unwrapped. That took a minute, kind of getting it from in here. But look how cute this is. There she is. She's so pretty. Nice and shiny. That's what she looks like on the side. From the back. And then you have, this is, I guess this is microfiber. But, okay. You got a little pocket back here. That gold is really shining and making it look really cute. They had several ones, and I thought that it'd be cute with the signature C's in the same color because it's kind of muted. I like that. And I don't think I've had one that's two-toned like this. Really nice. So I'm happy about this. This one is going to show fingerprints, it looks like. So let's take a look on the inside. That magnet seems to be pretty strong. Yeah, you come anywhere near it and it closes. So we got a front pocket here. Is probably where I would put my phone. Well, this might be big enough for my phone, so I'll probably put my phone back here. And you can put readily used things like your lipsticks and stuff probably there. And then we got a zippered compartment here. That zipper has the Coach branding on it. Open it up. All right, and then we have two more pockets. And this one looks big enough to put a full-size wallet in. Then you got a little tiny pocket back here. Oh, you got something to wipe this down with. Nice. So it won't get all fingerprinted. Awesome. All right. So that is what she looks like. I'm glad I got this directly from Coach because I would have thought this would have made this not authentic. Like if I bought this on eBay, I'd be like, no. I would have questioned the authenticity of it. All right, so here is your little creed back there. Yeah, I would have said that this might not have came directly from Coach, but that is where I got it. So, right. So that is the Klare. I have a couple of Klares, and I'm glad to add this one to my collection. It's really pretty. I do love the way you can change the handles. Now, usually the Klare, there's like a hole. Okay, I think, right? They have a hole. But anyway, where the handle goes through the top of the purse, but maybe I'm mistaken about that. I haven't taken the little film off of this. but look how cute that is. And I have had some people to say that Coach never does this. They never put a film on their stuff like that. But they do. And you have the branding on top here. All right. So that is a look at the, let's see, signature patent leather Klare Crossbody. So very pretty. I'm very happy that I picked this up. Did any of you guys pick this up? I would love to know. All right. I will talk to y'all later. Bye.